Imagine you're faced with an unexpected squeaky door that disrupts the calm of your home. Instead of letting it annoy you, turn to WD-40 for a quick fix. Simply spray a little onto the hinges, giving them a generous coat, and in moments, you'll hear silence return as the door swings effortlessly. This small yet impactful action not only enhances your living space with peace but also preserves the function of your door. It's just another testament to the powerful multi-functionality of WD-40, transforming daily annoyances into remarkable solutions. Imagine you're hosting a dinner party, and just as you set the table, you notice stubborn water spots on your fine glassware. Before you panic, reach for your ever-reliable WD-40. A light spray on each glass, followed by a gentle buff with a microfiber cloth, will leave your crystal clear and sparkling, impressing your guests. This not only elevates the dining experience but also showcases how WD-40 can enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home, seamlessly blending functionality with elegance. With each effective use, you'll appreciate how WD-40 holds the key to simple yet powerful solutions in your daily routines. Now, let's explore yet another household challenge: the annoyance of stuck zippers. Picture yourself in a rush, and your favorite jacket refuses to budge. Instead of struggling and potentially damaging the fabric, reach for WD-40. A quick spray along the zipper teeth will work wonders, easing the tough lock and allowing it to glide smoothly again. This simple act not only saves you time but also preserves the integrity of your clothing, highlighting WD-40's ability to address common frustrations with ease. As we uncover more uses, you will see just how indispensable this product can be in your home. Next, let's examine a hidden gem: the ability of WD-40 to tackle messy fingerprints on stainless steel appliances. Imagine the frustration of seeing greasy smudges on your refrigerator that make the entire kitchen feel untidy. A quick spritz of WD-40 directly onto the affected areas followed by a gentle wipe with a soft cloth will reveal a stunning shine, making your appliances sparkle anew. This not only revitalizes the look of your kitchen but also simplifies your cleaning routine. With each application, you'll discover how WD-40 is not just a tool, but a game-changer in maintaining a polished home environment. Now, envision tackling the everyday annoyance of stubborn crayon marks on your walls. Instead of scrubbing endlessly to remove those colorful artworks, simply reach for WD-40. A quick spray on the crayon-stained areas followed by a gentle wipe will dissolve those marks effortlessly. In seconds, your walls will look as good as new, free from artistic mishaps. This remarkable use illustrates WD-40's ability to rescue your home from messy situations, proving that it's not just useful but also a clever ally in maintaining a clean and pristine living space. Let's continue exploring more innovative applications of this versatile product. As we delve deeper, consider how WD-40 can also enhance your gardening routine. Picture this: you're ready to showcase your vibrant garden, but you notice spider webs clinging to your patio furniture. Instead of getting frustrated, simply spray a bit of WD-40 on the webs, and watch as they dissolve with ease. A quick wipe, and your space will be clean and inviting, perfect for enjoying the outdoors. This remarkable hack not only improves the aesthetic of your garden but also showcases how WD-40 can be a gardener's best friend in managing pesky nuisances. Embrace these creative solutions as you continue to discover the transformative powers of WD-40. Next, let's examine another surprising benefit of WD-40 that can elevate your home maintenance game. Picture yourself eager to decorate for a special occasion, but those pesky curtain clips keep falling off your newly hung drapes. Before you give up, reach for WD-40. A quick spray on the clips will create a temporary bond, keeping everything in place without any unwelcome surprises. This easy fix not only enhances your decor but demonstrates yet another way WD-40 can bring peace of mind during your home projects. With such inventive uses, you'll find yourself relying on this product for more than just quick repairs. Now, let's uncover another practical application of WD-40 that can truly save the day. Imagine you're out with friends, and someone accidentally spills soda on your car's upholstery. Instead of stressing about the mess, A quick spray of WD-40 on the stained area will help lift the sticky residue. After a gentle blot with a clean cloth, you'll notice the upholstery is back to its original state, allowing you to enjoy your time without worry. In conclusion, the myriad uses of WD-40 reveal its remarkable role as a versatile ally in both household and automotive maintenance. From tidying up stubborn messes to enhancing everyday functionality, this powerful spray proves invaluable in simplifying our lives and tackling unexpected challenges with ease and efficiency.